Well, we're back after a couple days, but that's a good thing because it means we got a couple parts. Here in these 2 boxes contains almost all the parts I'll need to build a second quad, hopefully. Now, I think the only thing I don't have is a fuel tank, but I think we can get one off the shelf. We got a carburetor, we got an electric start, we got kind of an extension for the carburetor, we got a thumb throttle, got some batteries and some tail lights. Also, other scooter guy's been at work while I've been away and he's got the whole base of his crane painted, so it's coming along. But today I'd like to get that engine on this quad. Hopefully, maybe fingers crossed running would be nice. And if you're wondering why I'm switching off this much nicer looking engine for that one, is because this is a 110 with some sort of gears, and I would like to put it on that because the 70s are gutless. And I showed that with the blue one, which I've actually already sold. Let's go ahead and get the motor stripped off this thing and we'll test fit, see if that one fits. Hopefully. Well, that was the easiest engine swap I've ever done. Now we're gonna go ahead and make sure the starter and the carburetor and everything else fits on it. Well, it didn't go perfectly, but it is installed. I have a feeling I'm going to be replacing this chain, but now that I have some parts engines, I have some spares and don't have to order brand new stuff. We're going to go ahead and try the fitment on the carburetor, see where it kind of lines up. We have the elbow there as well. Go ahead and steal the handlebars off that one and put them on this one because we're just about ready to put the wiring harness together. Alrighty, so here's where I got to. We got the handlebars installed now, the chain's on. I did run into a problem. So this is the only engine cover that I have for any of these 110s right now. And it doesn't have the right mounts for a Magneto that we typically use. It looks like this one instead. So unfortunately we won't be getting this running today, but it's ordered, it'll be here tomorrow. But for now we can go ahead and get everything else done, including stealing this flywheel, which we'll need because it's got a different magnet setup as well.
Oh no, it's mellowed the car.
Oh no! Well, that did not go particularly fantastic. For context, other scooter guy is trying to repair the pulley and he's trying to harden metal. This is CNF flywheel repair and replacement. Explosion. Now we just take the new one. It's like sizzling. What's for breakfast, guy? Looks like other scooter guy's been doing some work. He took that bull bar off this parts quad here and he's sticking it on this quad here. Looks like he got a plate on there as well. Looks nice. Other scooter guys picked up a new toy. Well, I brought it here for him, but we have a new video idea and that is gonna have something to do with it. But that means we got to make some more room in the shop. So I think the go-kart's coming home with me today. Possibly the gray quad's coming home with me today. This needs a new CVT because it blew up. And I don't really have the time or money right now to fix it. And that's going in my side yard. And that should open up lots more space. I ordered the wrong Magneto, which was stupid, but now I think we have the right one on the way. I got the rest of the wiring harness on, so we're going to go ahead and hook up a battery, see if it turns over. It turns over. So that's nice. My only problem is that the tail light only works when I press the start button and not while I'm holding the brakes. See, when I brake, the brake light doesn't work. But when I hit the start button, the brake light works. Make it make sense. Since we don't have the Magneto for now, we're gonna go ahead and work on some other things. I'm moving the seat back because this quad is tiny and I need some space for the fuel tank as well. Fuel tank is gonna go about here. I'm just gonna make some brackets so it sits nice on the frame. And then this seat kind of just goes right here like that. And it's a quad. Tested it before, but oh yeah, that's much better. Further back. Am I not in it?
Half your head's in it.
Oh, much better seating position. Just getting our battery mount prepped for welding. Then we'll probably hit it with some little bit of black paint, and this thing will be as done as it's gonna get today, I think. We got the fuel tank mounted, seats mounted, nice and sturdy. What else have we got left? Really, we're just waiting for the Magneto, and then this thing, we'll see how it runs, because I haven't seen this thing run yet. This thing's looking pretty good. I got air in all the tires. Got the fuel line installed, so tomorrow I'll have to see if it runs. Woohoo, we finally got the right Magneto. And you know what that means? More keychains for our keychain chain. Let's install it. Hopefully I'm in frame there.
At least about a quarter of your head was.
Perfect. That's exactly what I want. Hypothetically, we should have an entire working quad here, so let's see what happens. Was I in the whole frame? Yeah. It's brand new. Broken. Chain broken. I'm not surprised. This was really crusty. I was kind of hoping to save it, but gotta get that flywheel Magneto doohickey off to get the new chain on. So, oh, there we go. New chain. Take two. Oh, what the f? Okay, well, we found gears. There we go. That unlocked the transmission. That's forward, okay. That's should be nothing. That's reverse. It just doesn't neutral very well, that's all.
That's going bad.
Do you like to film me, Mr. Cameraman? Something in there is not happy. Something's broken. Oh well. It runs. So we've discovered this is actually a 3-speed with reverse. First works sometimes, but not when shifting back from second. Second doesn't really work. And third is mint. So we're going to drain the oil out of this and see what it looks like.
You can still get the nut.
Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. That doesn't look too bad. Ooh. Yeah, there's some chunks on there. Yeah, it smells burnt. What's a Chateau engine? I might be able to get parts for that. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I don't see any chunks.
It doesn't look good.
What is this? Yeah, that's like thick. Hold on. I don't know what this is. I assume it's supposed to be attached to something. And it's not. And that is not fantastic. Yeah. I don't think I've ever actually in real life seen oil like that. It's just goop. No. Oh, that's what creates the latching feel, because this doesn't move. But it wasn't the clutch that was, it's the transmission that's in there.